What if you could potentially triple your Profitvideo results with zero extra work for you? Yes, 300% more profits, 300% more results using a few tiny changes. Without this, I can guarantee you're leaving a lot of money on the table. What if you could have Profitvideo turn text into speech for you with perfect clarity so you never have to say a word yourself or pay someone for a voiceover ever again? What if, in addition to all that, you could get the ultimate copywriter on demand with the push of a button to create gorgeous video sales letter scripts for you? And what if, on top of it all, you could do it instantly, with zero restrictions and from unlimited accounts? I'm talking 4K resolution, mobile recording, your own video player, and priority rendering. Yes, the whole enchilada. I hope that I've got your attention, because that's exactly everything that you're getting inside Profitvideo Pro, our amazing upgrade that takes the already powerful Profitvideo to another level entirely. You get: Number 1. Profitvideo Pro gives you the ability to turn any written text into cursive speech in any language. That's right, text-to-speech is now a Profitvideo feature. You can use it in your own videos or sell text-to-speech services on Fiverr. Those usually sell for hundreds of dollars a minute. This module comes pre-built into Profitvideo Pro, so all you have to do to turn written text into audio or video is click one button. No need for you or anyone else to record or edit anything. Number 2. Not just that, but Profitvideo Pro has its very own VSL script creator. All you have to do is insert your keyword, and Profitvideo Pro will output a stunning video sales letter script you can use to shoot incredible videos yourself, or just sell to other people for hundreds of dollars a piece. Number 3. We're just getting started. Profitvideo Pro also lets you create unlimited videos of unlimited length for an unlimited number of clients. You're also not limited in the quality of your video output. Profitvideo Pro comes with 4K rendering built in. Number 4. You're getting our in-house dedicated video player to use for your own videos or upsell to your clients. You can use it on your own sales pages or funnels, or even to host your clients' videos. Dedicated video players can cost hundreds of dollars a month. Ours comes built into Profitvideo Pro and has unlimited bandwidth and hosting. Number 5. You get lots of pro-level features that not even Fortune 500 companies have access to. I'm talking about the ability to record with your mobile phone, get pro-level stats and reporting on how your videos are performing, and even add intros and outros from the Profitvideo Pro built-in library. So you can now do more than you ever could before with a video editor. Number 6. Oh, I almost forgot. Profitvideo Pro comes with instant priority processing and rendering. You see, normal videos are rendered at 5-minute intervals in order not to overwhelm the server. Well, with Pro, you get to skip the queue and make sure your videos get rendered, processed, and published the second you press the export button. Now, as you'll see, the price is incredibly affordable, and each of these extra features would justify it. In fact, you'd make your money back within 1 day of applying our amazing Pro features. So take action now and secure your copy of Profitvideo Pro today. You won't get this deal ever again.